In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete user in Salesforce. While the title says delete, here's the key thing to know right away. Salesforce doesn't allow you to permanently delete a user. Instead, you deactivate them. Deactivation prevents the person from logging in while preserving their records, history, and relationships, which is important for reporting and audit trails. You'll need admin-level permissions to make this change. Let's walk through it together. Start by going to the gear icon in the top right corner of your Salesforce screen. Click it and select the option labeled Open Advanced Settings. Depending on your interface, labels can vary slightly, but follow this wording in your org. Once you're in Advanced Settings, look to the left side pane. Use the search field there to type and select Users. This will open the Users area, where you'll see a list of all users in your organization, along with their status and details. If you have a lot of users, use the search or filters to quickly find the person you're looking to deactivate. When you found the correct user, hover over their row and click the small create icon, sometimes shown as a down arrow or a More Actions button. From that menu, choose Edit. This opens the user's detail page in edit mode. You're not changing any of their profile or access settings here. You're simply adjusting their status. On the edit screen, locate the checkbox labeled Active. Uncheck that box to deactivate the user. This immediately prevents them from logging in and frees up their license so you can assign it to someone else if needed. When you're ready, click Save to confirm your change. That's it. You've successfully deactivated the user. All of their records, like accounts, opportunities, and cases they owned, remain intact and still reference that user, which is exactly what you want for data continuity. If you need to bring them back later, you can edit the same user and recheck the active box. A few helpful notes as you do this. If you find that the active box is disabled or you can't save your change, common reasons include the user being the only active system administrator, being set as the running user for dashboards or scheduled jobs, or being tied to critical automation. In those cases, coordinate with your team to update those assignments first. Also, deactivation is safer than deletion because it maintains compliance and an accurate audit history of who did what in your org. And there you go. That's all you need to know to deactivate a user in Salesforce when deletion isn't an option.